Friday's bombing of the NNPC gas trunk line at Bennett Island by suspected militants in Warri Southwest local government area of Delta State, and last week's bombing of Ajib pipeline in Bayelsa State by the newest group, Egbeso Water Lions, has led to the call by Niger Deltans for the military to vacate the region for peace to reign. For a person visiting the Niger Delta waterways and watching gunboats patrolling the Baramatu waterways on a daily basis, we stand looking and military men, we think that the military is on a war mission with external forces. Despite the sophistication of the military weaponry, the ongoing war on militants seems not to have achieved the desired result, despite the riot act by the president to crush all militant gangs. On their part, some residents in Delta communities who spoke with Galaxy News have been expressing mixed reactions over the continuous presence of the military in Baramatu.
The government is causing the problem, definitely. If it comes to terms with the people in the land, they will find a lasting solution to it. For now, I don't think there's any problem there. It's just the government is trying to be in a side way. If I want to say, the president or the government on hand now is not handling the thing with wisdom.
The people should know that what they are doing is the right thing. If the soldiers leave that place, there will not be peace there. And the government will not be happy that there's no peace. So the government is finding solution to see that there's peace in that Baramatu kingdom. So they should bear with government so that there will be peace there.
Other residents call on the federal government to listen to the aggrieved militants, and that soldiers should remain to protect oil installations.
You know, since the militants are so much grievances in their mind, I believe the federal government should comply with them so that whatever what they are agitating for might be done, so that for peace to reign.
Make soldiers stay so that make peace reign for the community, so that make other facilities, other things not spoil past like that.
On the patrols of Baramatu waterways, the community youth leader who spoke with our correspondent at the hometown of former MEND leader, government Ekpemokpolo Elias Tompolo, says the presence of gunboats is giving them sleepless nights.
Since these days, we not if they sleep well, because the gunboat, army gunboat and navy gunboat, just they patrol the communities from one community to other. People when they're fishing, when they get access to it, they not if they go fishing because they fear the men and women. We will not do farm. Now fishing is our occupation. Now that is river, and the river and the gunboat they patrol always. So we're not if they settle down up till now.
In finding a lasting solution to the unending bombings, which has cost Nigeria billions of naira in oil revenue, the federal government must be proactive as a stitching time saves time, while the soldiers should go after the real suspects, as the 5 suspects arrested in connection with the bombings have since been quietly released.